Hey, it's another Workshop Wednesday here at GigaParts. We are in our classroom ready for an exciting week of events. It starts tonight at 6 o'clock, the art of astrophotography, astronomy, photography, all combined into one. You can't miss this free class. Then tomorrow, 3D printing. If you have a bamboo printer or you're just interested in getting started with 3D printing, tomorrow night at 6 o'clock, another free class on 3D printing. Now, HamFest is this weekend, so there's a lot going on in the amateur radio world. And Friday afternoon, we have two great sessions right here at GigaParts. Comjot and Heil will both be on hand. We have some product demos and Q&A sessions. That starts at 2 o'clock on Friday. Now, Saturday, we have our very first metal detecting class. This is exciting. If you're interested in getting into the world of metal detecting and treasure hunting, stop by our Metal Detecting 101 class. It's completely free, of course, Saturday at 2 o'clock. And Saturday is also International Geocaching Day. We're celebrating in a big way. If you want to get started or get some advanced tips and tricks, come to our Geocaching 101 class that starts at 4 o'clock. Make sure you're here because we are going to be making a special announcement. Again, it's International Geocaching Day. We are going to launch a huge contest that's going to start and end here at GigaParts. Be here for all the details.